In this video, I'm opening up the SA Company face shields that you see so much on Facebook, Instagram, and on the internet. Are they worth the money? Okay, so I just got my haul in not long ago. I got 5 masks for 20 bucks, and I want to show you what they look like, so here we go. All right, let's get started with this thing. First thing I want to tell you is I did open one up already. It's the subdued flag with the skull. It's pretty nice face mask. The only drawback that I see to it is the ends aren't stitched ends. They're just cut straight off the roll of material. So you've got a sleeve, ends are just straight cut, no stitching on there. So the ends are gonna roll. You see how they're rolling here. They're already beginning to roll. Not a big deal. Just keep that in mind. I think a stitched end might have been really well here, would have made for a more secure fit to the face, but either way, it's a good product so far, and I like it. Okay, it's on to the next one. Which one are we going to choose here? Let's go with the OD green. I think that'd be really well to look at. Nice little packaging here. Shows you how to wear it on the back. Shows you all its benefits on the front. Little plastic packaging. Open it up here. And not too flashy, but it's a nice OD green look. If you're looking for something subdued for your hunting outfit, or if you're going to go try to invade another country later this afternoon. Made in China. I don't know if you can see that there, but what is it nowadays? Got the little black SA Company logo down there in the corner. And the material, pretty stretchy. I mean, nice stretchy material, so pretty much the same thing with the last one. Kind of thin, but it's going to work. Again, straight cut ends. You're going to roll, but overall, nice little product. All right. There's the OD green. Just so you know, go with a beard. If you get a beard, the beard comes through it a little bit. Not a big deal, but you see the cut end. It's gonna roll. If it doesn't roll, it's really not gonna work real well. I don't think. It would have been great for a stitch, but you can roll it in too. If you roll it in, it looks perfect. So just keep that in mind. If you need something for maybe keep your wind off, sun off, things like that. Perfect little deal. Next up, we're going to go with the Don't Tread on Me. Again, there's the front of the package. You can kind of see the different ways you can wear it. Just want you to see what these look like. Each one looks different and it's got a different print. Man, you can get so many different prints on these things. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. Don't tread on me. Don't tread on freedom. That's just freaking awesome. Nice little setup there. It's a nice one here. Nice one. Don't tread on me. Don't tread on me, baby. Don't tread on me. All about the freedom. Again, we got the straight cut. You see how that works when you first get it. It's gonna roll. It's gonna roll. So next up, let's go with the Camouflage, or Camouflage, as my buddy Keith likes to say. Camouflage. This is gonna be their pattern, SA Company pattern, Camouflage, with their logo. You can see the logo kind of sprinkled throughout the camouflage there in different areas, with the skull up top. And on the back, the same thing. So you got a skull both sides. You literally can be walking through the woods and nobody will know if you're coming or going because your skull's on both sides. Look at that. You'd just be so deadly. Pretty neat though. I do a lot of hunting, so this will be great during the hunting season. Just a quick little face mask I can put on, pull up or down. Oh yeah. Killer. Put me a little beanie on. Got my skull mask going on. Pretty cool. Nothing says deer hunter like skull in the woods, right? Pretty cool. You know, think about this one too. You know, you don't want to use the skull up top. You can flip it around. You got that up top, so you can hide the skull. Let's move on to the last but not least, my favorite one of the whole haul here, and that's gonna be the American flag. Yes, Mr. Patriotic. I'm very proud to be an American. Look at that. Boom. That is freaking awesome. I don't care who you are. So you get a little Declaration of Independence going on there in the background of it. Probably see me on the 4th of July, or maybe I might even do it out cut my grass. I don't know. Who knows? Awesome. But this one's gonna be my absolute favorite deal. And believe it or not, that one was really tight to get on, but it is freaking amazing. Look at that. Boom, baby. Boom. Background, new background. Flag. Look at this. Freaking awesome. Take the rest of the video out. I use it a little bit while I'm cutting grass so that you can see what the you can just kind of see how it acts out in the wild, so to speak. So just take a look at it, see what you think. So we're gonna use the SA face shields here and cut grass with it. We'll see how well it works. Alright, so we just finished cutting the grass. You can see the outside of this mask has got, you know, some dust, debris on it. I mean, I'm covered in dust and debris in my arms. My eyes probably don't have a lot around it because of my face mask and my glasses, but I can tell you I don't have the buildup of dust and debris that I usually have on my face. We'll see. I'll let you know tomorrow morning when I get up how I feel, because that's when it really, you know, really could tell the difference. That's when I got up the next morning, had headaches and just, you know, typical allergy stuff. All right, I'll let you know. Okay, so like I said, the major drawback on this for me is that it's not a rolled or, you know, creased and stitched end. But really, for 20 bucks, you could get this is absolutely a great product. Like I said, I got 5 for 20. I've seen 8 for 25 or whatever it is. I mean, this is really affordable product. So far, I like it. I cut grass in it. You see the video, I'm cutting the grass. When I cut grass, for about a week afterward, my face and my eyes and my sinuses are so jacked up from the debris and stuff. So I needed something that I could use, that I could just wear without killing myself. Now, I will say this, you know, the next day I still had a little bit of the, you know, itchy, watery eyes, sinuses, maybe a little stuffed up, but nothing like I did the week or two before this. Literally the week or two before, I mean, I was miserable, sore throats, you know, coughing, sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, you name it, I had it. I needed something. This is absolutely a perfect setup doing this, so check it out. You know, again, SA company. I'm not paid advertising here. It's just one of those things I got in the mail that I wanted to try out and review, give you guys the first heads up on it. So, thanks for watching.